Good morning. Welcome to another day, another vlog. I don't know, today I had a mild headache and I had to do above 40 push-ups. I didn't go for workout. I didn't feel like actually. And to really intimidate me, I made a sandwich for myself. Chicken salami, cabbage and mayonnaise, onion, fried egg, all put together, and a cutlet. Okay, cutlet my wife made her, and a glass of tea. I'm keeping this next to my push-up so that I'm encouraged to do it. Okay, let's see how much I can do today. Okay, guys, let's do this. Come on. I did 45. The video is not over. I'll continue, guys. I'll take a bath. Let me clean up, freshen up, and I'll get back to you. You also have your breakfast and be ready. $49 and biker for you. Guys, I know you're all mad at me, but before you guys curse, just hold on. This is not just a toy. It's a serious electric machine. Look at the tire. See? Look at the tire. Look at the hub. Look at the shock absorber. See? I'll show you one more thing which will really shock you guys. It has got 4 independent shock absorber and two motors. 1, 2. Lunch for the day. Fried chicken. What you call a luscious, crispy parotta. And I'm making it. We cannot make parotta in our house. Even if you make a parotta, ready-made parotta, you use a tawa and fry it. But after that, you just don't eat like that. After frying, see, this is totally fried. But after that, you got to do this, guys. See? That's it, guys. See? Now it's a parotta. In Tamil Nadu, we call this chicken gravy a salna. See, in Kerala, we call it chicken curry, and maybe in North India also chicken curry, where the coconut milk will be added with the masala. Here, the coconut scraping and the masalas are crushed and added to the gravy. So you see, it will be quite thick, and the gravy will have mild grains of coconut scrapings. But I'm telling you, this is the real deal to have with the parotta. And guys, today I'm not going to show you a eating video because the video will become too long. But wait for the next clipping. I'm going to go out in the car.
Hey, don't take risk against rule.
What do you mean against rule?
You're not supposed to go out.
I'm going to go in this car, baby.
Oh, God.